say thank you, 445. Yeah, he's a real good friend, and I will see him down at the next Gage Boy break, because I'm not gonna miss it anymore. They put on one of the best breaks with the best hospitality I've run into. But John's having a break too. I hope he doesn't have it on the same damn weekend Bakerman's got.
10-4 on that, Bakerman. Yeah, I'd like to make a James Boy and Motormouth break both, but well, maybe one day. Like Copperhead says, oh well.
Radio station Motormouth.
Yes, sir. Oh well.
In there. Boom, 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 and I got down.
I ain't dropping it on John. I was talking to 45 to get a message to John. Anyway, 357, you're doing pretty good as long as 445 is sitting back sipping his coffee. Oh, Lord, 357, they come out of the woodwork. Yeah, I think your black widow spiders are coming down out of the woodwork to bite you on the left and bite you on the right. I just made that up, by the way. 357, you have a great day and enjoy the weekend. Always a pleasure hearing you. And you live in Tennessee, where Daddy was born. That's a good thing.
And definitely good to hear you out here as you're doing your thing out there from the Show Me State. Radio station Motormouth Maul, your West Coast beast. Got down right there.
I wonder if he had the speaker in a basket by the lotion. That's probably a good comment.
In the corner of my eye, I saw the fan that was over there across the room turn off. Hold on a second, nothing else turned off.
I think that's the best comment I've heard all day. Now, you know that very same lotion there, that off, it ain't a lotion, it's a spray, but that off spray, you can spray it on your headlights and it cleans them up, and I'm gone.
Yeah, I heard it was good for painting drinking.
Well, I ain't trying to check because I ain't got none. I don't have any, I should say. I gotta go buy some, and we are trying to clean our headlights because it's a 93 Dodge Dakota. And I don't see where's the shit anyway with one eye, so I'm gonna go get some of that off, spray them headlights, and buff them up. God, you got audio. That's like T-Bird over there on the bowl. I mean, that's the kind of audio you're putting out there, and I'm gone. And you're hitting the same spot, too. 40 in the red in the northwest corner, which is almost impossible, but you do.
Audio, that's for sure. Well, let me say to you, let me get back to the ball game. 404 Joe the Grinder in Birmingham, Alabama.
Yeah, 404 Joe the Grinder. I don't know what's going on over here, but apparently I had a little power strip got unhappy with me. I guess the fan was pulling more current than the doggone power strip could supply. Hey, 404 Joe the Grinder? What do you mean you don't have any audio on that thing? Check this out.
404 Joe the Grinder in Birmingham, Alabama.
Hey, 404 Joe the Grinder. I don't know what's going on. I didn't have enough of the gate rolling there, but I got enough of it rolling to know that you got a hammer down over here I got down. always sounds real good over here. Real nice, good, clean, clear bass. All kinds of good audio out here on my stack of bricks. I like what I hear over here. I wouldn't be unhappy at all if this radio sounded like that. I know it ain't quite there, but it's hopefully getting there. I love the sound of that 2000, ain't no doubt about that. Motormouth Maul, the West Coast beast. Or consider being Cobra 29, got down. In there and took about everything out of my radio. It's all about you right about now. But you say you're going to go back over there and get back to the game. You don't want to do a lot of them games, but you want to get up in here and do a little bit of damage, and you did, so you're going to go back to the game, and we'll catch you a little bit later on. Radio 404, Joe the Grinder, Motormouth Maul, the West Coast Beast. Easing this thing down right there, break.
The shout, Gator, old Copperhead's out. Have a good day. Dan Rogers, that Gator. Had you all the way there. Pretty crowded, but I did hear you in there all the way. Gator.
421, Georgia, where you San blowing smoke in Georgia. Good day to you, and you're doing a good job out here. Also, Motormouth Maul, the beast, got down right there, break.
Rogers, Gator. All righty, you have a good afternoon. Catch you later, Gator. Copperhead's out. Slim Jim in that mobile. Slim Jim in that mobile. I'd hear you just fine. Have a good day, Slim Jim in the mobile. Copperhead's out.
I got it all when you said it all. You take care now. 122. Say the name. It'll be
Dan Rogers, Slim Jim. All righty. I'll let you get with your mobile in there. That mobile sounds pretty good, Slim Jim. All righty, I'll get on out of here. Catch you later, Slim Jim. Old Copperhead back in the grass.